So I'm in my backyard today and I'm gonna do some measuring to do raised beds this year. I'm gonna do grow bags and raised beds. I had some success with in-ground growing this year, but I'm gonna do some raised beds this year. So I need to do some measurements and see where I want these beds to be, how big they are, all that stuff. So I'm gonna jump in to get some measuring in, and then we'll build the beds. So I think I got my plan that I'm gonna be using here. I'm gonna be doing a 9-foot by 2-foot wide raised bed, 2 of them. And you can see I staked them out. Just found some twigs along the ground, used them. Then on the outside, I'm gonna do another 9-foot by 2-foot. Up above it, plan to do a 6-foot by 2-foot. I also have a bunch of grow bags that I plan to be using. And last year I did the same thing, but I plan to do it again. I stick the grow bags up here on an elevated platform. Gets a lot of airflow through the bottom, but certain plants do better up there than others. Broccoli did really well in the grow bag last year. And then I have this barrel, and I did peppers in it last year. This year, I considered doing some strawberries, doing 2 strawberry plants in there. Gets a lot of sunlight, but we'll see. I'm still planning it out. We're in the early stages, but I do want to get the beds at least made. So that's kind of the planning process right now. We staked it out.